Yo, today might be a weirdly slow day. Because I wasn't in my zone last week, I couldn't schedule ahead to get a DoorDash shift, which I mean, DoorDash recently has been pretty not good. So maybe it shouldn't matter too much. All right, here we go. First order of the day. It's going to be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $20 going 4 miles, 9 items. Should be a good one. Everything looks like it's pretty easy to find. The only thing that I'm worried about is they want like some of the hot and ready chicken, which I'm pretty sure they don't put out until like lunchtime, so that might be an issue.
I think it got discontinued off.
Okay.
Why it's still on our system.
Gotcha. Do you have smaller?
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, is that it?
I am blind.
Was it you looking for the red grapes?
Yeah.
These are the elements that we got right now.
All right, I'll make it work. Good enough. Thank you so much. Well, I accepted this one by accident, but I guess that's be dumb. This is a Wendy's, $10 going 5 miles. I just looked at the order. There's 12 items and there's 12 sandwiches. This is probably gonna take a while. I'm not happy about it.
Hi, thank you for choosing Wendy's. Would you like to try an oatmeal bar today? They're really good. There you go.
Thank you. I just got my next order right after this. It's gonna be for Starbucks, $10 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Thank you for waiting. Iced coffee, water, and vanilla. Bacon and egg bites. Thank you for your thank you.
Love when they do that. Gotta make sure everybody in the store has their drinks before I get mine. Oh, I know where this one's going. I've delivered there a few times in the past, and I recognize their note. It says, please leave at front door, under cover from the rain. Yeah, you got it, man. It's pouring like crazy today. I got my next order right away. This one's gonna be for Jack in the Box. $9 and some change, going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, well, there's two options to this order. Either this is a massive tip bait or the store's closed, but I'm heading in this direction anyways, so let's go check it out. This is Taco Bell, $21 going 2 miles.
Hello, thank you for Taco Bell with me. Just a moment. Somebody already picked up that order a little while ago.
Well, it was a secret third option. Oh well, wasted 5 minutes of my life, not a big deal. Okay, here we go. Got a Voodoo Donut order, $13.75 going 6.5 miles. Thank you.
I got y'all right here.
Next order up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one's gonna be $8 and some change going 3 miles.
On the order, they ordered spicy popcorn, but we don't have that anymore. I'm not sure. You can ask if they want a substitute or do you want to just change the order?
What do you have anything that's similar that I can recommend them, or?
No, those are like small little poppers. The closest thing is probably like regular chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets?
You can give them a 10-piece instead of that. Up to them if they want to. Any response?
No. From DoorDash, I got something else that's better, so I'm just gonna...
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, thank you. All right, so I did manage to get onto DoorDash just now, and I got an order. Looks like it's a stack. I think it's going to 2 different people on the same street. It is $15.50 going less than 3 miles. Wendy's and IHOP. Let's give that a shot. Oh, there's a lot of cars here though. Should I go inside?
Baby, car cash. Alright, let me know when it's ready, sir. It's gonna be a minute, okay?
Can I get that receipt?
Yes, right there. You can grab it.
Excuse me, is that for Caleb?
Yeah. Here you go.
Thank you. Bro, just hand me the bag.
Yes, which is one drink.
Thank you.
Happy good day.
You too.
Bye.
That was like perfect timing there. Is this by the street? Okay, I don't know about this one. I might unassign it. We shall see. But it's IHOP, $11 going 3 miles.
It's not ready here yet, obviously, but I'll go check it.
Thank you.
We should be about 5 minutes.
No, thanks for you.
Thank you.
Happy good day.
You as well. All right, well, they said 5 minutes and I was going to give them 5 minutes and then leave because I thought it was just a white lie based off of their body language when they were talking about the order. But we got lucky, so let's go. I don't know what's going on, but literally every single order I've gotten in the past 25 minutes now have all been from Walmart pickups. So I think that means nobody's doing them. And I think they're just being passed around by everybody that's online right now. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a few more minutes and then I'm gonna start heading home, I think. I'll leave the app on just in case. Current time is 11:13. Current total is, I think, 93 or 94. And I still have 1 Uber tip yet to come in. If I get the full payout for it, it should bring me up to like 103. Anyways, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.